Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book a hotel in booking.com without credit card. So all you have to do is head over to booking.com and right off the bat, you can enter here a place where you want to book a hotel. Say for example, we want to book in Manila. Also select the date in which you want to book. We can start from October 6th. Also here you can edit how many adults, children, and how many rooms are you going to book. And also if you are traveling with pets, then just click on done. Also make sure that you check this box that says I'm looking for an entire home or apartment. Then just click on search. So from the filters, let's change entire homes and apartments to hotels. And from here, you should be able to see recommendations that you can book. Say for example, we're going to take this one, see residences. Just click on see availability. From here, if you scroll down, you should be able to see more information about the room or the apartment or hotel. And to book, just click on reserve. From here, also make sure that you select the amount, then just click on reserve with discount. So from here, all you have to do is enter in your details such as first name, last name, email address, country, phone number, and who are you booking for if you're the main guest or if you're booking for someone else and if you are traveling for work and also your full guest name. You can also avail private airport taxis or car rentals and also select your arrival time. And you can also avail extra bed for free just by clicking on this box. And of course, select the age. Say for example for 18 plus. Then once done, just proceed on next. And from here, all you have to do is check if all the details that you entered is all correct. And as you can see, you don't need a credit card to pay instantly for the price of your stay. As you can see, no payment today. You'll pay when you get to your apartment or hotel. Just make sure that you tick this box. Then once done, just click on complete booking. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!